Apparently it had been my intention to show you the sum formula separately, but oops, I forgot to show you the PowerPoint slide for that. We'll continue on with the column chart showing the change in population. One would hope it's an increase, but one wouldn't be sure. And actually, Brian made a good point. He said when I added this column here for a total, now my merge and center isn't right anymore. So I'll just go back and reselect that and click merge and center. Watch how many times I have to click it. Once, sends it back to the left margin, and once, oh, fixes it. So it was only 2 clicks. That's not bad. Not bad. And those little symbols down here, I don't know if I can make that go away. It says ignore error. So I could ignore the error and the little green triangle goes away. Whatever. If this is for business purposes, you would certainly want to do that. A note about Genesee. Lots of people have trouble spelling the word Genesee correctly. Think about the boy's name Gene, Gene, and the word see, S-E-E. So Genesee is Genesee. That was free, by the way. Now, that was free. Create a 2D or 3D column chart to show how the Genesee County population has increased. Add appropriate title. Formatting is optional. So I'm going to select from what would have been A3 in the other spreadsheet, but here it's A19. Mine's 19. I don't know what yours is. And this is just an insides spreadsheet, a chart that we're going to make. No totals in here. No totals. And we'll insert a, did I say what column? Column. Column chart. Choose 2 or 3D, whichever you want. And we'll drag it down. Genesee County population 1962, 1990. Add some formatting if you want, whatever. Ooh, I'll have to resize. Interesting, I chose a different style. Now I have to resize my, I'm going to press, I bet it's Shift Enter, we'll see. Shift Enter, yes, Shift Enter. Oh, we did that before, didn't we? Shift Enter will get you down to the next line. We did that when we were doing the resume. Yeah, that's good enough. So the population really boomed in the 70s, and then it started going down. What is Google the population in 2000 and 2010? That would be fine. I couldn't find a nice, simple chart to do that. That's why I didn't give you those years in the assignment. Oh, it's not on the homework, but we could do it while we're here. How about if we do that 3-dimensional column chart showing your 3 counties' populations in those 4 decades? So I selected again all of the insides, and I went up to Insert, and this time I'll choose that multi-dimensional. I used fake numbers for Oakland County. I'll show you. It will fix itself. Yeah, for 418,000. So we're down from 430,000 to 418,000. Anyway, you see how my Oakland County number here is so much out of whack with the others. It's because it's a mistake. So let me go up to, I put fudged numbers in here, so let me fudge something else. There. And notice how now the balance is different because the range is different. The numbers on the left on the vertical axis are different. But look how small Iron County is. I would guess, I haven't done it, that there would be a way to flip those in opposite order so Iron County would be in the front so you can see it. But I don't know how. I could figure it out, I suppose, if I tried hard enough. But anyway, it wasn't part. Yeah. Well, not quite as simple as that. Yeah. So that's all for this. That's all that we asked for on that one. Notice? And then I said add, A sentence describing how Genesee population has changed over time. What I'm asking you to do here then is interpret this chart, read the chart and tell me what it means. So I'm going to say the population increased during the 70s and started decreasing in the 90s. And then I'll press the enter key. That's all in one cell, actually. Some of your exercises will ask you to interpret a chart to see what it means. The other assignments you have for your homework then, here is on assignment number 1 is another spreadsheet to format and make several charts just like we did. So that one's a little bit longer. And then, oh, this one's longer too. I'm giving you lots of practice, aren't I? With them already made, you just do the totals. And then the other two are to create your own spreadsheet and chart. And I'll have you copy data and create your own spreadsheet and chart. And the same thing in assignment number 4. When you get done with this, you should be fairly comfortable with creating these charts, and they won't take you very long to do now that you have had this much practice with them. When you submit your homework, then you'll give me the entire file. Just save the whole file and upload the file into Blackboard with all of the assignments done.